So I told you yesterday, today we'll discuss lower third animation. Okay. So basically lower thirds means when the particular interview is going on. So the text reveals with some shape animations. To create that, we have to use the shapes or pen tool and again text tool also. And that animation you can create in a creative manner by animating in a fraction of seconds some basic shapes. So I'll go with the small shape animation now. So it should come into the screen in a different formation. Okay. Uh, Means we can animate individual shapes first, then everything should come and form into a basic uh, shape. So for example, here I am going to use rectangle fill and remove the stroke. So create just like a rectangle only without square. If you hold the shift, you will get exactly square. After drawing or dragging this shape, Control Alt Home button. Control Alt Home button. So pivot comes to the center of the shape. Now for this, we can bend the shape. In rectangle tool, there is a rectangle path. So this rectangle path you can convert to Bezier. Clear, Ajay?
Yes, sir.
So when you click on it, this is rectangle only, but it converts to customized path manner. For example, if you create pen tool path shape, how you will get the customization vertex points? Same manner you can customize this. So now down vertex I have selected, hold shift button and use the left arrow. So it moves the points 10 pixels forward towards left side. If you are not holding shift and if you want to try to move the points, vertex points, then they will move only one pixel forward. Now I added this with 10 pixels forward towards left side. Now in this fill option, I want to go for a gradient. Select linear gradient See here, start and end point for gradient we have. Select these two, go to fill option. So select the darker color at this location, and at the end position also select same color. And at this position little bit add somewhat darker and place one more here with a little light and shade. See this now? Can you see the shape?
Yes, sir.
The same rectangle we have to animate this. Select rectangle, add trim path, I'll check out whether it is working properly or not. See, trim path, it is not going to work perfectly on the fill option. If it is a stroke, we can work out with the trim path. So we are not yet used the stroke, so we can also use the stroke here without fill. But anyway, we created this, so we can animate directly path points itself. So coming to 15 frames, it should be there in this particular shape. At 5th frame, these points should come to the completely down, and at the same first down points position. See now, it is going to get just same movement. How the down points are there, the same location, up position points also there, and they are coming out of that at the 15th frame. So it is started animation from 5th frame and ending by 15th frame. Clear?
Sir.
So to get this animation in a quick manner, so first of all use around some more frames, like fifth frame to 17th frame. Or place at 20th frame. 5th frame to 20th frame I placed. Means around I have now 15 frames of animation. So press F9. F9 is the shortcut for keyframe assistant. Easy ease. So in this we will get the speed to slow. That movement you can set by using the graph editor. Here you can set at the place of end position the speed. Means here the speed will come at the middle and it slow downs at the ending. So this functional curve, it behaves in a less frames with a more speed, and again slow downs the speed at the ending. It is going to hold at the end of the location. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this same animation, see here, see, okay, the starting it is coming very quickly and ending it is coming very little bit in a slow manner. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now the same rectangle 1, Control D, place this at the down, rectangle 1 after rectangle 2. Now select shape layer 1, press U, so that you can see here another shape layer 2 set keys or keyframes. So move them 3 or 4 frames difference. See this now? This is the first one, and there is a second one which is moving at the down. Can you observe that, Ajay?
Yes, sir.
So, but first one has to reveal, then second one should start from the down, and it should be create a animation after forming this at the right side, little bit towards up, it should be there. So after setting the animation, we have to set now the overall rectangle position, rectangle to position. So go to transform rectangle to this position. You have to move at the right side little bit up. So directly go with the position X, move towards left side, I mean right side 50%, then move towards y axis side 50%, then little more we should move again. Clear, Ajay?
Yes, sir.
See this now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we should set little bit of path positions. So press U again, come to the first set key of the path here, and set the points little more down. Okay, now the points are exactly at the same location where the down points are there. So for this design also, up rectangle, so come to the same set key locations, then set them. More into the same down points location. Now it is done. Now check the animation once again. Clear this?
Yes, sir.
So this animation should come very quickly. It should not take more time. So select all the points. Come to the first set key by pressing J. Hold the Alt button. Then drag little more towards back. So it speed ups the movement now. So if you want, you can also change the color. So as of now, this is okay for us. After coming these two shapes, when these two shapes are coming out at the same time, I just want to add a stroke with pen tool. Without selecting shape layer, remove the fill and add stroke at this location with the 2 pixels of stroke. So here at the place of these two positions, you can just add a stroke at this location in a slanty manner. So again select the shape layer, add one more from this side. So add here also another one. So now these strokes we have to animate. These two we should animate by using individual trim path. For the first shape one, add trim path. This shape is forming at the same time. Trim path should start. So first of all, it should be 0, and coming to this location, it should complete with 100%, and coming to the middle of these 2 points, start should also start immediately. The start position between these two keys, then it should hide again. See this now? Okay. Now the same animation, press F9,